Hi guys, this is Mary. You're watching Cardz TV. Before we get started on today's card, I wanted to give you guys a heads up. We're having a spring sale at Cardz TV Stamps, and these 3 stamp sets are $9.99 with free shipping and handling, guys. Free shipping and handling, $9.99. We have Easter Punnies, and this has got some really cute things for Easter cards. I'm all ears. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. You're my honey bunny. I never met a chocolate bunny I didn't like. I'm having a bad hair day. Have an extra special Easter. Do the bunny hop. Pop, pop, pop. You're sweeter than a basket full of jelly beans. What's up, Doc? Some bunny loves you. Have a 24-karat day. Funny bunny and hippity hoppity. That's Easter Punnies. Then we have Easter Blessings, and we have Happy Easter, He is risen, wishing you all the blessings of Easter, Easter Blessings, for I know that my Redeemer lives, Job 19:25, and the third day he will rise again, Matthew 20:19. Your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my path, Psalm 119:105. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believes in him should not perish but have everlasting life. John 3:16. And have a blessed Easter. And the set we're going to be using today is called Spring Fling. We have Spring Fling, sending you springtime hugs. We'll be using this sentiment today. Hello Spring, wishing you all the blessings of spring. Happy Easter, you're some bunny special. Scatter seeds of kindness. Ladybug hugs and daisy kisses. Springtime showers bring butterflies and flowers. And then we have Happy Easter in a more formal font. And right here, your kindness makes my heart blossom. So that's a good one for spring cards as well. So don't forget, guys, $9.99 plus free shipping and handling while supplies last. Okay, for today's card, as I said, we'll be using Spring Fling, and we're going to use a very popular older cartridge, Create a Critter. I'm also going to be using some dies, but if you don't have these dies, you can find these same shapes in Elegant Edges. This one is from Lawn Fawn, and it's a scalloped rectangle, and then we have this postage stamp rectangle, which came from Amazon, and it's an unbranded die. I used one of my black markers, as well as some Memento Tuxedo black ink. We'll be using art glitter glue to adhere everything down. And we'll also use some Studio G self-adhesive rhinestones, as well as some Doodlebug Designs sprinkles. These are little glittery enamel dots. So let's get started on today's card. We'll start out with a white card base. This is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 when folded. And then this cute two-tone green polka dot mat is cut with that Lawn Fawn scalloped rectangle. Now, if you're going to cut this using Elegant Edges and you want this same size, cut it at 5 1/4 inches. And to go on top of that, I have this postage stamp die, and I cut this out of some Stampin' Up. I think this was Bermuda Bay. Yeah, I think it was. So I'm going to get these adhered together and get these on the front of my card. I love this color combination. It's so pretty. Our card base is all ready. Now I went to the Create a Critter cartridge, and I found this adorable skunk, a stump for him to stand on, and this flower on page 61. And let me get them over here. I've already put him together. Isn't he adorable? And he's holding that cute little flower. And let me tell you what I did for his nose and his eyes. Now, I cut the background of the skunk out of white, and then I cut layer 2 out of black, which left him with white eyes, a white mouth, and the inside of his ears were white. So I just took a very light pink marker and colored in his ears and his mouth. And for his eyes, I took, let me grab them over here. I took 2 of these tiny clear rhinestones and a black marker, and I colored them black. And I just put those down at the bottom of those white circles, and I don't know if you can see those, but he is so adorable. And for his nose, I used one of the small pink little glittery enamel dots for his cute little nose. Now I cut the skunk at 2 1/4 inches. I cut the flower at 1 1/4 inches, and then I wanted something for him to stand on, so I cut the stump at 1.5 inches. And I just cut that part of the stump, then this for the top, and then over here, layer 3 is the green leaf. So I'm going to add this right here to the bottom, and that's going to overhang a little bit over there. I'm going to add my little skunk right there. We'll pull that down just a tiny bit. And for the sentiment, I went over to page 52 because there's a cloud over there. And that's under accessory on page 52. And I cut the cloud at 1 3/4 inches. And there it is right there, sending you springtime hugs. And that's from the Cardz TV Spring Fling stamp set. And I stamped this with Memento Tuxedo black ink. I've got this on foam tape, and it's going to go right up here in the corner. So there we have it, guys. Now don't forget, if you're interested in Spring Fling, Easter Punnies, or Easter Blessings, pick them up now. $9.99 plus free shipping and handling while supplies last. Thanks for coming by today, guys. I hope you're having a great weekend, and I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.